2023 will be a big year for Elon Musk. First, he will launch his Starship into orbit, followed by the launch of the Model H hydrogen car. Tesla's Pi smartphone will also launch this year. In addition, the Tesla founder has announced the launch of 5 new models for 2023. To find out about all the launches, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive updates every time we upload a video. What features will these new models have? Will they be affordable? If you want to know more, don't miss our video until the end and give it a like as a thank you. Tesla is one of the most recognizable brands in the world, especially in the automotive industry. They have the longest sailing range on the market and are also among the most reliable. They have a lot of fun to drive. In 2022, Tesla managed to deliver 1,313,581 vehicles. The electric vehicle segment is where Tesla earns most of its revenue. This segment accounts for 95% of the company's total gross revenue. Another 5% come from energy storage and batteries. Tesla's revenues increased by $21,454 million in the third quarter of 2022. This represents an increase of 55.95%. Tesla accomplished this feat with just 4 cars in its lineup. The Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y. Just imagine what will happen when Tesla introduces other vehicles. Many other vehicles have been introduced by the automaker over the years, but all have been delayed. In 2017, Tesla introduced the next-generation semi-electric truck and roadster. Tesla announced the famous Cybertruck in 2019, anticipating its launch in 2020. However, the launch was repeatedly delayed, and ultimately, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that the company would focus on scaling production of existing vehicles instead, to launch a new product in 2022. This means that the Cybertruck will be launched in 2023 and the Roadster soon after. The Cyber Rodeo event will also launch a humanoid robot, possibly some anonymous taxi. Musk has provided a more exact date for the launch of all these vehicles. During the event, Musk announced that Tesla will be producing the Cybertruck in the coming years, along with the Roadster and the Semi. The company will also be producing a new futuristic-looking electric vehicle like Robotaxi, as well as the humanoid robot Optimus. The CEO even said that production of these could start next year. The Cybertruck was unveiled on the event stage, but with no new specs or pricing. Elon Musk makes promises that all 5 Tesla models will be on the market in the coming months. So let's dig deeper into each one. Tesla's new Cybertruck is a battery electric light-duty pickup truck. Its external shell is designed to offer maximum durability and protection to passengers. The structure is made of ultra-hard steel, 30 times stronger than cold-rolled stainless steel, and the glass is also designed to provide superior strength. The ultra-durable polymer exoskeleton layered in a soft monochrome shade will protect the Cybertruck from impacts, while the 100 cubic foot lockable exterior storage will add to its payload capacity of up to 3,500 pounds. Plus, the adjustable air suspension will let you take the vehicle from rugged to refined. The Cybertruck is by far the toughest vehicle ever built. The Tesla Roadster is the fastest electric vehicle in the world, with a world acceleration record. Its 2-door coupe design, with a low center of gravity, gives it a sporty, modern appearance. It will get an all-new dash and center console, along with upgrades to materials and amenities like heating, seats, and a panoramic sunroof. In addition, a yoke steering wheel option will be offered in lieu of a traditional steering wheel. The 2023 Roadster will be a performance beast with a 60 time of 1.9 seconds and a top speed of 250 miles per hour, though this is likely limited for safety reasons. The car also has a range of 620 miles on a single charge. The Tesla Semi is an all-electric semi-truck with active safety. It offers a wide range of features and a cabin layout that maximizes space. The front axle is powered by a single motor, while the rear is powered by a pair of motors. The Semi can be charged in half an hour using a 1 megawatt charger that provides up to 70% of its range. The center seat layout and layout of the cab are configured to provide maximum visibility for the driver. 15-inch touch screens flank the driver's seat, as well as the usual tech like wireless phone charging. The Semi also features regenerative braking and traction, plus more advanced control capabilities than current diesel trucks. There is no pricing information, but Tesla plans to use the Semi-trucks in its own fleet. Elon Musk and Tesla released their new humanoid robot, called Optimus. On Tesla's Artificial Intelligence Day, Optimus was ready for his presentation, and Musk wanted to set expectations for him. Last year, the robot was just a person in a robot suit, but now it's come a long way. According to Musk, Optimus will initially be used for tedious or dangerous tasks, such as moving components in Tesla factories or tightening a screw on a car. Optimus is a reference to the strong and kind leader Optimus Prime from the Transformers media franchise. The Autobot from the movie is loved by children and adults alike. Musk also noted that the robot was developed using semi-off-the-shelf actuators, but now it's gone a step further with a Tesla-designed actuator battery pack and control system. It was pretty close to being ready to walk, but they wanted to show something that was pretty close to what would go into production. According to Tesla, his latest robot features audio, Wi-Fi security, LTE, and capabilities similar to a cell phone and computer chip. This version uses a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack, much less than what is needed for an electric vehicle. The manufacturer claims that there are 11 degrees of freedom in the robo's hands, referring to the movements and tasks it can perform. The goal of this technology is to replace humans in menial jobs, with a price estimate of less than $20,000. These Tesla robots can revolutionize their respective field of work. And as always, the company will deliver cutting-edge technology to its customers. Let's see what the future holds for this new technology. But one thing is for sure, these Teslas will be out of reach for the common population. Are you excited for Tesla?